Hello friends, I am Gaurav. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to give you all the detailed information about bioinformatics and courses which are available for bioinformatics. And I will also answer your question that who can pursue bioinformatics and what are the eligibility criteria for it. So, let's begin. If you ask me a question, sir, what is needed for today's video, then my answer is bioinformatics is the field which is getting popular in our country, but the information is not available to every person or every student. To make this information available for every student, I make this video and giving this information. Okay. So, first of all, I will explain you what is bioinformatics. In simple words, bioinformatics is nothing but the combination of biology and informatics. In the informatics, there is computer science, mathematics, statistics like subjects. When these subjects are combined with biology to study the biology, this subject is known as bioinformatics. Not so complicated. If you want to get more information, then watch my previous video about the bioinformatics. So why to pursue bioinformatics? Here are some answers. Okay. Genome sequencing. Bioinformatics is important need for genome sequencing. The bioinformaticians perform the experiments step by step to identify the sequence of our genome or any other animal's genome. Bioinformaticians also design drugs. This field is also important for in pharmaceutical industry. Okay, using bioinformatics, we can also study 3D structures of proteins. We can analyze that proteins. By analyzing the proteins, we can further work on drug designing. Okay, then we can we as a bioinformatician develop databases, biological databases. In that databases, we store all the type of biological information as we have. Okay, then bioinformaticians also develop some software tools. Software tools for what? Software tools which ultimately going to help you in this type of experiments. Then bioinformaticians also understand the genetic diseases by means of what? They understand that genetic diseases by means of gene sequencing. When you perform gene sequencing, you get some sequence, then you perform experiments to identify gene expression. You identify gene expression. By identifying it, you will get to know what are the gene products. Then you can ultimately identify the link between genome and the products in our body. Okay, if some products are linked to genetic diseases, then it can be identified. Then study of gene expression. I already explained you the gene expression study is done. Okay, so let me erase all of this. See, biology, this bioinformatics is the field getting prominent in today's biological and biomedical research. Okay, today's biological and biomedical research. Next question is who should pursue? If you are a kind of person who have interest in biology as well as in computer science, then this type of students can get admission in bioinformatics. It will be beneficial for them because bioinformatics has practical applications. Bioinformatics uses programming languages. The student must have to study programming language. Okay, the bioinformatics uses programming languages to develop some type of tools which are going to help them in experiments by performing experiments on the genome or on the molecules. Molecular experiments or genome centric experiments are performed by bioinformaticians by using the tools which are ultimately given us to by computer. Okay, so computer tools are used. You have to study both computer as well as biology. So those students who have interest in both the subjects should get admission to bioinformatics. Also, the students who have interest in research as well as in drug designing and software designing tools. I explained recently explained that the computer is used and programming language is used. So by using programming language, we develop software tools. These software tools are installed in computer. Okay, and by using that tools we can perform experiments. Another your interest should be in database designing. Okay, databases are nothing but the storage of information. So biological information is stored, then that database is called as biological database. This type of study are conducted in bioinformatics. If you have interest in this, you should get admission. Okay, so which courses are there? First of all, we will see bachelor degree courses. So you can do BSc in bioinformatics. You can also do BTech in bioinformatics. Honors degree honors degree of Bachelor of Science is also available in bioinformatics. You can also do Bachelor of Engineering in bioinformatics. This course is available in very few universities or colleges. You can also do certificate in bioinformatics, and you can also do advanced diploma in bioinformatics. Okay, if you have already done the undergraduate degree course, then you can get admission to master's degree courses. Okay, which type of master's degree courses in bioinformatics are available? They are MSc in bioinformatics, MTech in bioinformatics, MSc honors degree in bioinformatics, then Master of Engineering in bioinformatics. Okay, this is repeated. So you can get admission to all of the masteral degree courses. Also, you can get a doctoral degree course if you have done master's degree. What are the eligibility criteria for it is explained in the next slide. Okay, so you can also do PhD in bioinformatics. Coming to the eligibility criteria needed for the various type of courses. If you wish to get admission in the undergraduate courses of bioinformatics, then you should have done 10 plus 2 in the science subject. Okay, 10 plus 2 in science subjects, this is the compulsory requirement, and those science subjects are physics, chemistry and biology with minimum 50% aggregate marks. Those students who have 50% or above aggregate marks are only eligible students for admission to undergraduate courses. And remember, various universities or colleges consider the results of various entrance examinations which are conducted in our country to give admission you in the BTech course. Okay, if you wish to get admission in the postgraduate courses of bioinformatics, then you should have a bachelor's degree in the following subjects. You should have bachelor's degree in physics or in horticulture or in biology, agriculture, veterinary sciences or fishery sciences, pharmacy or BE in computer science, BTech in information technology, biomedical engineering, medical sciences like MBBS, BAMS, and BHMS. Those students who have done bachelor's degree in the given subjects are eligible for getting admission in bioinformatics. Okay. Various institutes are offer admission on the basis of the entrance exams conducted in our country for master's degree. Okay, but few institutes offers admission on the basis of aggregate marks which you have obtained in the undergraduate degree courses. If you are willing to do PhD in bioinformatics, then you must have done your master's degree in the following subjects like maths, biotechnology, or bioinformatics, or other life science subject. Okay, if you have done your master's degree in these subjects, then only you are eligible for PhD in bioinformatics. Remember, various institutions offer you admissions on the basis of entrance examinations. In our country, these are the few e- examples of entrance examinations. UGC NET is most popular examination because it is national level examination for PhD students. Then I will suggest you to frequently visit websites of the universities or colleges in which you want to get admission, because few institutes or universities conduct their own examination. Okay, so frequently visit on the websites of that university or college. In this video, I have explained a detailed information about the bioinformatics and courses of bioinformatics. You have to share this video with your friends and family members so they will also get to know our field of bioinformatics. Okay. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload my video. Okay. Thank you.